So you've seen the big headlines for the Insta360 GO Ultra, the bigger sensor, 4K 60, pure video. But honestly, that's just scratching the surface. The spec sheet only tells you half the story. The real magic is unlocked in the smaller, under the radar upgrades and the powerful hidden features that most people won't discover. Today, we're going to go deep to uncover a ton of these game-changing features, from workflow secrets to incredible AI magic. Let's start with the features that give you absolute confidence that you're capturing the moment. First, the triumphant return of haptic feedback. If you're a long-time user, you know how crucial this is. The physical vibration when you press the button to start or stop recording is your absolute confirmation that the camera is rolling without ever needing to look. It was on the Go 2, disappeared from the Go 3 and 3S, and I'm so thrilled to say it's back. This isn't just a feature, it's peace of mind. Second, pre-recording. Worried you'll hit record a second too late? Pre-recording is your safety net. Pre. When enabled, the camera constantly records a buffer of up to 30 seconds. So when you finally press the button, it's already saved the action that just happened. It's a lifesaver. And third, loop recording. This feature allows you to record continuously with the camera overwriting the oldest footage. This is perfect for using the GO Ultra as a discrete, high-quality dash cam, or for any situation where you're waiting for a specific moment but you don't want to fill up your SD card. Now let's talk about all the ways you can control your camera without touching it. The biggest workflow upgrade is the remote preview. You can now review your last clip on the action pod without re-docking the camera unit. It's a massive time saver. But you also have voice control 2.0, and you also have gesture control. If the camera is mounted out of reach, you can simply say start recording, or just hold up your hand with a peace sign to trigger it. There's other voice and gesture controls, and it's incredibly useful. Now, this is where things get really fun. Let's look at the powerful capture modes hidden inside. First, epic slow motion. This isn't just a basic slow-mo. You can shoot in a crisp 2.7K at 120 frames per second, or go for extreme slow motion on this tiny camera at 1080p with a massive 240 frames per second for incredibly creative shots. And you also have interval video here, like on the Go 3S, where you can set the video to record at certain intervals for a minute or however long you want at a time, and then smush that all together into a final video later. You also have the incredible Starlapse mode, specifically designed with optimized settings to capture the movement of stars and create a stunning night sky star trail video. And for parents and pet owners, there's Toddler Titan mode. This requires a special micro lens accessory, but it makes the camera ultra durable, protecting your lens while capturing cute footage of your kids without worry. Or maybe you can Mr. Bean yourself too. Most people will buy the Go Ultra for video, but they're missing out on a powerhouse photo camera hidden inside. You have a full suite of pro photo modes that are seriously impressive. First, you can shoot massive, mega detailed 50 megapixel photos. This gives you incredible flexibility for cropping in or making large prints. Next, you have HDR photo. This is your go-to for perfectly balanced pictures in harsh or inconsistent lighting, automatically kicking in when it's needed. For low light, you have Pure Shot, just like pure video. This uses AI to capture stunningly clean and bright photos when it's dark. And finally, live photo mode. This captures a short video clip along with your photo, like on your iPhone, which is perfect for capturing dynamic moments with an atmospheric feel, like waves crashing on a shore or fireworks exploding, or you get the drift. You also have the in-camera creative suite. This is where you can define your style without ever touching an editing app. Let's talk about the 7 creative filters. These have been significantly improved and feel less like cheap gimmicks and more like professional film simulations, similar to what you'd find on a Fujifilm or Leica camera. They let you bake a specific mood right into your footage. The newly added glow and selfie filters are particularly good and highly recommended if you're into that kind of thing. Okay, this is 4K 30 active HDR off in the standard video color profile. Let's try all the others. Okay, this one is the glow color profile. The glow color profile. What does this look like? This is selfie color profile. Selfie color profile. How does this look? Okay, now this is vivid color profile. The vivid color profile, which you may have seen in other Insta360 cameras. This one is called film profile. This is the film color profile on the Go Ultra. How does that look? This is the vintage color profile. Vintage color profile. How does that look? Vintage. And now we have the urban color profile. The urban color profile. How does this look? And this is the night color profile. Now this is more for the teal and orange tones, and of course it's not nighttime here, but just to give you an idea, and you can test it out yourself, or if I get a chance I'll test it out when I'm in a nighttime environment in a future video, so be sure to come back. Next up is the AI powered portrait mode. This isn't just a simple softening filter. When you activate it by swiping left and tapping the smiling face, the camera uses its AI chip to apply intelligent natural skin tone enhancements in real time. It's a hidden make me look good button that's perfect for selfies and vlogs. All right, this is 4K 30 active HDR off in D-Warp with portrait mode off, and let's compare that to on. Okay, and then it advised me that it's better working at arm's length. So this is portrait mode on, D-Warp 4K 30, active HDR off. Does it make a difference? What's it like when it's closer? What does that look like? I find it quite hit and miss myself, but experiment, you may love it. Now for the features that will change your workflow and creative potential. Yes, you have pro audio support, the ability to pair your existing DJI mic or AirPods Pro via Bluetooth is a secret weapon that turns this into a pro level vlogging rig. And you also have the Insta360 Mic Air, of course, and I'm sure there's more coming online. Be aware though, you'll need some pretty bang up to date devices for this to work. I'm sure the list will get longer, but my older AirPods Pro don't seem to be able to link up, but your mileage may vary. I would check the Insta360 website for the latest because this kind of stuff changes fast. Now, buried in the settings, you also have endurance mode. This mode can extend your battery life by about 20%. It's limited to 4K 30 frames per second, but for long events or long days out, that extra time could be critical. And finally, let's talk about the incredible AI features that work after you've finished filming. The biggest one, the biggest new one, is the AI Family Moments feature. This is amazing. It automatically analyzes all the footage you shot on a given day, identifies the best moments with your family, the smiles, the hugs, the action, and edits them together into a heartwarming shareable video for you. It does all the hard work. A ton of under the radar upgrades that make the Go Ultra one of the smartest and most feature-packed cameras on the market. If you want a deep dive into the absolute best video settings to use with these features, you can check out my complete settings guide right here. Get subscribed for more. Check out my Go Ultra playlist, which I'm adding to all the time, and I'll see you in the next one. Up here.